Hello everybody and welcome back. So in this episode I'm going to be showing how to wire in a keypad to the Honeywell Vista 20p security system. In this case this is a Honeywell 6160 alphanumeric keypad. So anyway, this is the back of the keypad. You have to pop this off the back plate, and you do so by pushing the two tabs that are at the bottom of the back plate there with screwdrivers or whatnot, and it'll just pop right off. So anyhow, as you can see right here, there are 4 terminals on the keypad here, on the keypad's circuit board, and that's where we're going to connect our wires to. In this case I'm actually using a different strand of wire here, but don't let that confuse you. It's no different than using the wire I was using before. And same thing with the colors. They don't mean absolutely anything. The only difference between this wire and the original wire is this one's just a little bit thinner. So anyhow, I don't know if you can really see it. I'm going to zoom in here, but let's see. But you might be able to see a little bit that there are, little letters and symbols right in front of the terminals, right around here. Maybe you can see without the light, maybe. Yeah, a tad bit better, maybe, but you can see the letters and symbols in front of the terminals, therefore indicating what needs to go where when you're connecting the wires. I'll also be attaching a picture as well, since it'll probably be a little bit harder to see in the video. So anyhow, let's just get right to it. So the very top terminal, from your guys' perspective here, the letter in front of that terminal is Y. So in that case, I'm going to be using the yellow wire in this strand of wires here. If you guys are just using your own wires to do this and whatnot, and it's not already like pre-made or pre-stripped or anything, just follow the same wire stripping procedures that I did in the previous video. So anyhow, I'm gonna put the yellow wire into the Y terminal. And now for the terminal that says positive, I'm going to be putting the red wire in that one. And keep in mind, yet again, colors don't mean anything. I'm just doing this because it makes the most sense to do it that way, but it doesn't matter what color wires you use, or at the end of the day what wire it is, like, at all. It's all the same exact thing. And now for the terminal that says negative, I'm going to be using the black wire in my strand of wires here. And now finally, for the terminal that says G on it, which I think means ground, I'm going to be using the green wire in my strand. Don't do it like that where it's sticking out so much like that. You want to get it in there as much as you can, and you don't want it to touch other wires. That'll cause a short to happen. Alright, so now all the wires are in on the keypad. Alright, so now we're back at the main panel's circuit board here. So yet again, we're going to reference the schematic diagram on the inside of the enclosure's door. So it appears that the terminals that the keypad connects to starts with terminal number 4. So you actually skip over one from when we wired in the power. So it looks like it would be starting with this one, number 4, 5, 6, and 7. So anyhow, referencing the schematic, it looks like number 4, that would be keypad ground, or that actually looks to be negative. So that I used the black wire for that one. So I'm going to put the black wire in terminal number 4. And then terminal number 5, that looks to be the positive terminal, which I used red for that on the other end. So I'm going to put red on terminal number 5. Number 6, that looks to be, so number 6 actually seems to be the one that was labeled green, and I guess that's not for ground, that's actually for data coming in from the keypad. So since we used green on the other end on the terminal that said G on the keypad, I'm going to put the green wire on terminal number 6 on the panel, the main panel. Last but not least, terminal number 7, that would be the one that's labeled Y, and I used yellow for that one, and that is for keypad data out. And yeah, so now the keypad is officially wired into the main panel circuit board. So now the moment that we've all been waiting for, an operational test. So I'm just going to plug it in. And there we go. The keypad is energized, and it looks like we're getting a display and everything. And that is how you wire in a keypad for the Honeywell Vista 20P security system. Yeah, it's going to be thrown off of all sorts of troubles since we haven't really reprogrammed it yet. But anyhow, the keypad works, and that's what's important. So thank you all for watching, and take care.